Start by preparing your rice. Here, I use 1 cup of sushi rice with 2 cups of water and rinse the rice until the water runs clear and add the 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, reduce heat to a low, cover and cook until water is completely absorbed for about 15 minutes. For the meantime, add rice vinegar, sugar, salt to a small saucepan and heat over medium. Stir occasionally until sugar and salt are dissolved and place in a jar or dish and cool in the fridge until rice is ready. Once the rice is done cooking, off the heat and add the cold vinegar mixture and stir with a rubber spatula if you have one or fork. As not to overmix, it will appear wet but it will dry up as you slightly stir to release heat. It should be sticky and completely dry. Once it's ready, transfer into a non-metallic bowl and let it cool. In the meantime, while waiting with the rice to get cool, prepare your veggies by chopping them into 10 pieces. If too bulky, they won't allow the sushi to roll well. Slice the veggies into thin strips. The cool thing about homemade sushi is you can add whatever filling you like. Here I use cucumber, red bell pepper, carrots, purple cabbage, avocado, and tofu. All the vegetables are very high in iodine, with the added benefits of vitamin A, magnesium, and potassium. So they are actually quite healthy. When it comes to the dipping sauce, you can use whatever you prefer. Here, I made my own dipping sauce because I love soy sauce with hot sauce and a little bit of sesame oil. Now it's time to roll, but first, I'm going to wrap the sushi mat with this plastic wrap so the rice won't stick on the mat. Then lay the mat and sprinkle with the water. Then lay your nori sheet and put 1 tablespoon of rice. Using your hands, dip in the water to avoid sticking pat. A very thin layer of rice over the nori sheet, making sure it's not too thick. Then layer a serving of your veggies or preferred filling and align at the bottom of the rice closest to you, starting with the cucumber, carrots, purple cabbage, red bell pepper, and avocado. Go slow and stop firmly. Squeeze your roll from time to time to ensure everything sticks together. Once your roll is done, set aside to rest while you're making the remaining rolls. Using a sharp knife, wet down the blade and cut your sushi roll into 2 even pieces. And remember to constantly clean your knife under running water, so make sure you have a bowl water nearby. And then cut each piece down the middle again. Repeat the process until you have completely a Californian sushi rolls. And arrange your sushi in a plate and sprinkled with toasted sesame seeds if you desired. And there you have it, guys, my homemade vegan sushi. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.